What's up, Dawn Nation? So recently I bought AU5, a Nintendo Switch. It hurt making that purchase, but I'm so glad we did. It made him happy. Hopefully you've seen that tutorial of him taking the Nintendo Switch, playing Breath of the Wild, and us taking that audio that he played with and turning it into these absolutely insane sounds. And in fact, we created an entire sample pack, a free sample pack that we want to give to you. And you're like, but how good could a sample pack be from Austin, AU5, playing Breath of the Wild? We didn't even have it plugged into the computer. It was just coming out of the external speakers on the Switch into the internal microphone of my laptop. How good could it be, Wyatt? Be real with me. Oh, I will. Check it out. Come on, if this doesn't sound like Breath of the Wild, I don't know what's wrong with you. Anyways, if you want this entire sample pack completely for free, there is a link down below. Plus, you can watch the entire tutorial that we created where, again, Austin takes these sounds from Breath of the Wild and turns them into here. So you want to figure out how he did that? Link down below. Go check it out right now.